Hi, welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and it's time to pick the winner for the October giveaway. And here I have on the screen just a little picture of some of the things that are in the giveaway from the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the YouTube random comment picker. I have the URL right here. I have filtered duplicate users. I have excluded or backlisted myself because I know that I commented back and I don't want to be picked. And we've done 6 plus 1 is 7. And right now we are going to get those YouTube comments, all right? We're going to find out how many people entered. So we have 410 people who entered this giveaway, so that's great. All right, so in order to win, you had to tell me what your favorite scary movie was, or maybe the first scary movie that scared you, or a scary book. And some of you were like, well, I don't really like them, and that's fine. That's a good answer too. But I just wanted to remind you guys that if the answer doesn't say anything about that, then I'll have to pick another person. Okay. I am ready to start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, and the winner is Deb Morgana. House on a Haunted Hill with Vincent Price was the first scary movie I saw. Nice giveaway, Cassie. Thanks. Well, Deb, congratulations for winning, and those of you who did not win, please congratulate Deb, and remember I have so many more giveaways coming out, so no worries, you'll have many chances to win. And Deb, what I'm going to need for you to do is send me an email with your mailing address so that I am able to get this package out to you as soon as I can, and as soon as you send me that mailing address, I will ship it out the next day. My email address is always available both in the description and as the first comment. If you scroll down, the first comment is a pinned comment with my information in it. If you look inside that information, you'll find my email. Thank you guys so much for entering to win and for continuing to be great subscribers to my channel. I'll have another giveaway posted very, very soon, like within the next 24 hours, at least one of them. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.